getting it.
I'm getting it. Shut up. Oh my God, this is amazing. And it's right there. Look it. It is literally right there.
There's
If
a
you put your
pot.
window wiper down, you
Where's the
can
pot of gold, baby?
There you go.
We need the pot of gold.
Did you get both rainbows?
Going in.
Which rainbow? There's two?
We're
one
going
right
in.
There and one very slight one to the left. Oh my God, it's right there. Look at it. Turn the freaking
my
window
God.
wipers off.
This is what happens when you don't get a lot of sleep at night.
This is so fucking amazing.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait till Allison sees this video.
Are you getting it? It's right there.
Yes, I'm getting it. Ay, Dios mío.
Can you turn the camera off now?
Is this how you-
I got 9 pictures.
Is this how you art direct?
What?
Is this how you art direct?
Yes, it's right there. That is amazing.
Can you
turn
turn
off the thing now?
No.
Do you see it? It's right. It's literally right
I'm bored
there.
with this video.
No, I'm not.
I am.
Stop being a millennial.
No. I'm a nice millennial. Trust me. People my age are assholes.
No,
Look
you-
at I'm actually not that bad.
It's actually, I feel like we're chasing it. 'Cause
We are.
should have
Look at
passed it
You see
already.
it to the left?
Yes, I see it. I'm getting it on video.
Look at it over there.
Oh my God. There's the end over there. Yep, there it is.
Too bad we weren't far enough away, like in a helicopter, we could take the whole image. Facts.